You fill up your Volkswagen, and somehow the fuel disappears faster than it should. No warning lights, no obvious problems, just lower mileage every single week. What if I told you the issue isn't your driving, and it's not even something your mechanic usually checks? There are hidden reasons, small, overlooked things inside your car that silently drain fuel without you even noticing. And the worst part? Most VW owners have no idea they're happening. From a tiny sensor glitch to a simple habit that's costing you money every day. These 7 hidden reasons could be the difference between normal fuel economy and constantly overpaying at the pump. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you might discover exactly why your Volkswagen is using more fuel than it should and how to fix it fast. Reason number 7, your tire pressure is silently killing your fuel economy. It sounds simple, almost too simple to matter, but this is one of the most common reasons your Volkswagen is burning more fuel than it should. When your tire pressure is even slightly lower than recommended, your car has to work harder to move forward. More surface area of the tire touches the road, which increases resistance, which means your engine burns more fuel just to maintain the same speed. And here's the scary part, you usually don't feel it. The car still drives normalo, no warning lights, no strange noises. But in the background, your fuel efficiency is quietly dropping every single day. In fact, driving with underinflated tires can increase fuel consumption by up to 3 to 5%. And if all 4 tires are low, that's a noticeable hit to your wallet over time. Now think about this. Temperature changes, especially overnight, can lower tire pressure without you realizing it. So even if your tires were fine last week, they might not be today. The fix? Ridiculously easy. Check your tire pressure regularly and match it with the exact PSI recommended by Volkswagen, not what looks okay to the eye. Because sometimes, the reason your fuel is disappearing faster isn't a major fault. It's something as small as the air inside your tires. Reason number 6, a dirty or clogged air filter is choking your engine. Your Volkswagen's engine is designed to breathe clean, consistent air. But what happens when that air gets restricted? A dirty air filter might not seem like a big deal. It's cheap, it's small, and it sits hidden inside your engine bay. But when it gets clogged with dust, dirt, and debris, it starts choking the airflow your engine desperately needs. And when your engine can't get enough air, it compensates by burning more fuel. That perfect air-to-fuel ratio, it gets disturbed. The engine starts running rich, meaning more fuel is injected than necessary just to keep performance stable. You might not notice it immediately, but your fuel economy definitely takes a hit. Here's the tricky part. This doesn't happen overnight. It builds up slowly. Week by week, your mileage drops just a little, until one day you realize you're filling up way more often than before. And unless you physically check the filter, you'd never know. If you drive in dusty areas, heavy traffic, or construction zones, this problem shows up even faster. The fix? Simple, quick, and cheap. Inspect your air filter regularly and replace it if it looks dirty. It's one of those small maintenance steps that can instantly improve your fuel efficiency, because sometimes your Volkswagen isn't using more fuel because of a major issue. It's just struggling to breathe. Reason number 5, faulty oxygen sensor sending wrong signals. Now this one is where things start getting a little more serious. Your Volkswagen relies heavily on a small component called the oxygen sensor. Its job? To measure how much oxygen is in your exhaust gases and tell the engine exactly how much fuel to inject. Basically, it helps maintain that perfect air-to-fuel balance. But when this sensor starts failing, even slightly, everything gets thrown off. If it sends incorrect data, your engine may think it needs more fuel than necessary. And just like that, you're burning extra fuel every time you drive. The worst part? A faulty oxygen sensor doesn't always trigger a warning light immediately. So you could be driving around for weeks, even months, with reduced fuel efficiency without realizing the real cause. You might notice subtle signs, like slightly rough idling, a faint drop in performance, or that your trips to the fuel station are becoming more frequent. And here's something most people don't know. A bad oxygen sensor can reduce fuel economy by up to 10 to 15%. That's not small. The fix isn't complicated, but it does require attention. A quick diagnostic scan can reveal if the sensor is misbehaving, and replacing it at the right time can instantly bring your fuel efficiency back to normal. Because sometimes it's not your driving, not your habits. It's just one tiny sensor giving your engine the wrong instructions. Reason number 4, carbon buildup inside the engine, the hidden fuel killer. This is one of those problems that builds silently, and by the time you notice it, your fuel economy has already taken a serious hit. Inside your Volkswagen's engine, especially if it's a direct injection model, carbon deposits slowly start forming over time. These deposits stick to intake valves, fuel injectors, and even inside the combustion chamber. At first, it's nothing major. But as the buildup increases, airflow gets disrupted, fuel spray becomes uneven, and combustion is no longer as efficient as it should be. So what does your engine do? It compensates by using more fuel. Now, instead of clean, precise combustion, you get a rougher, less efficient burn. That means your car needs extra fuel just to produce the same power you use to get effortlessly. And here's why this is so tricky. You don't always feel a big difference right away. Maybe a slight hesitation when accelerating. Maybe your engine doesn't feel as smooth as before, or maybe nothing noticeable at all. But behind the scenes, your fuel efficiency is slowly dropping. This is especially common if you mostly drive short distances, you're stuck in stop-and-go traffic, or you're using low-quality fuel regularly. Over time, all of this accelerates carbon buildup. The fix? It depends on how bad it is. For mild cases, using high-quality fuel and fuel system cleaners can help. But if the buildup is heavy, a professional cleaning, like intake valve cleaning or walnut blasting, might be needed to fully restore performance. Because sometimes, your Volkswagen isn't using more fuel due to something obvious. It's what's quietly building up inside your engine over time. Reason number 3, driving with the wrong engine oil. Most people think engine oil only protects the engine. But what they don't realize is, it directly affects your fuel consumption too. Your Volkswagen is engineered to run on a very specific type of oil. Not just any oil, but the exact viscosity and specification recommended by the manufacturer. Now, here's where things go wrong. If you're using the wrong oil, maybe it's too thick, too thin, or just not the correct VW-approved grade, your engine has to work harder internally. And when the engine works harder, it burns more fuel. Let's break it down. Thicker oil creates more resistance between moving engine parts. That means the engine needs extra effort just to rotate smoothly, especially during cold starts. On the other hand, oil that's too thin might not provide proper lubrication, causing increased friction and inefficient performance over time. Either way, you lose fuel efficiency. And the scary part, you won't get a warning light for this. No alert saying wrong oil detected, no immediate sign that something's off. But slowly, your mileage drops. Your engine feels just a bit heavier, and your fuel costs quietly increase. This usually happens when oil is changed at a local shop without checking VW specifications. Cheap or generic oil is used to save money. Or oil change intervals are ignored for too long, and over time, it adds up. Now, here's what you should do. Always use the exact oil grade and VW-approved specification mentioned in your owner's manual. Don't guess, don't assume, And don't go with "this should work," because modern Volkswagen engines are very precise, and even a small mismatch can affect efficiency. Fixing this is simple, but ignoring it can cost you fuel every single day. Because sometimes, the reason your Volkswagen is using more fuel isn't a major fault. It's the oil quietly working against your engine instead of with it. Reason number 2, your driving habits are secretly burning more fuel. You might not like this one, but it's real. Sometimes, the biggest reason your Volkswagen is using more fuel is the way it's being driven. Now, I'm not talking about obvious things like speeding all the time. It's the small, everyday habits that quietly destroy your fuel economy. Hard acceleration, braking at the last second, constant stop and go driving. Every time you press the accelerator aggressively, your engine injects more fuel to give you that instant power. It feels good, responsive, quick. But behind the scenes, you're burning way more fuel than necessary. And then there's this short trips. Starting your car, driving for 5 to 10 minutes, and turning it off. Sounds normal, right? But during those short drives, your engine never reaches its optimal temperature, which means it runs less efficiently and consumes more fuel the entire time. Now combine that with traffic, accelerate, brake, accelerate, brake. Your fuel economy doesn't stand a chance. And here's the truth. Modern Volkswagen engines are designed for smooth, consistent driving. When you drive aggressively or inconsistently, you're forcing the system to constantly adjust. And that costs fuel. The worst part? Most drivers don't even realize they're doing it. It becomes habit, but once you fix it, the difference is immediate. Smooth acceleration, maintaining steady speeds, anticipating traffic instead of reacting late. These small changes can improve your fuel efficiency more than you think. Because sometimes, it's not your car that's the problem. It's the way it's being driven every single day. Reason number 1, a failing fuel injector is quietly wasting fuel. This is the one most people never see coming, and it can drain your fuel faster than anything else on this list. Your Volkswagen's fuel injectors are responsible for spraying the exact amount of fuel into the engine, precisely timed, perfectly measured. But when even one injector starts to fail, everything changes. Instead of a fine, controlled mist, the injector may start dripping, leaking, or spraying unevenly. And when that happens, your engine is no longer burning fuel efficiently. It starts using more fuel than needed, just to maintain normal performance. Now here's the tricky part. This problem doesn't always feel dramatic. Your car might still run. It might still feel okay, but you may notice slight engine vibrations, reduced mileage, a faint smell of fuel sometimes, or rough acceleration, and slowly, your trips to the fuel station become more frequent. In some cases, a bad injector can increase fuel consumption significantly, and if ignored, it can even damage other engine components over time. What causes it? Low-quality fuel, dirt and deposits building up over time, or just natural wear after long usage. The fix? A proper injector cleaning can sometimes solve the issue. But if the injector is damaged, replacement is the only real solution. Because at the end of the day, your engine depends on precision. And when that precision is lost, even slightly, your fuel efficiency disappears with it. And there you have it, 7 hidden reasons why your Volkswagen might be using more fuel than it should. And most of them are things you'd never normally suspect. The scary part? These issues don't always show warning signs, but they slowly drain your wallet every single day. Now imagine this. Fix even 2 or 3 of these problems, and you could instantly start saving fuel, money, and even extend your engine's life. So before you blame the car, take a closer look at what's happening behind the scenes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want more real, practical Volkswagen tips that actually save you money, subscribe to the channel Volkswagen Hub. Because here, we don't just talk about cars, we help you understand them. And trust me, your Volkswagen has more secrets than you think.